What's up, guys? It's your boy XtremeKatfishn out here in North Carolina, right outside of Brevard, North Carolina, at the Hooker Falls access parking lot. This is a PCF guided trip, waterfall trip through Dupont State Forest. It's a little after 9:30, so I'm a little early, but just going to give you a little quick go around of the parking area here. So there's a parking area, there's my car, and apparently this is the direction that we're going to go for one of the falls here. So apparently Hooker Falls is this way, about 1/4 a mile, and then we got two falls, Triple Falls and High Falls, which are that way. So hopefully we'll be doing all those today. I'm not really sure how many we'll be doing today. It is a little chilly out here this morning. It's November the 19th, the day before my first lead hike. And let's go over here to the kiosk here. I'll try to get here early so I can do a little bit of introduction to you guys before everything starts getting ready to rock and roll. So this is Dupont State Forest, as you can tell by the kiosk here, in North Carolina, and we are going to be going to Hooker Falls. So let's see, we're currently here right now. So where we're going is to Hooker Falls here. I think we're also going to Triple Falls, and then you have High Falls. There's also Grassy Creek Falls. In the real vicinity, that's pretty much it. But just to look around here, you got Bridal Veil Falls. You see what else we got here. I think that's, oh, you got Wintergreen Falls. So there's a lot of waterfalls here, guys. A lot of waterfalls. And watershed protection. Some rules and regulations. And places to eat in Cedar Mountain. Grabby's, Three Calibros, Quick Stop, and Creekside Market. Let's see. Pretty much, this is it, guys. This is the kiosk. Oh, so here's the picture. So here's Hooker Falls here. That's Hooker Falls, if I get the glare out of it there. And that's Triple Falls. It's very pretty. See the triple, because there's 3 of them actually. There's 1, 2, and 3. And this is High Falls. And then we have the other falls here: Cornmeal Shoals, Grassy Creek Falls, Wintergreen Falls, and Low Bridget Veil Falls. So my understanding is that we're going to try to do as many of the falls as possible. And then be done somewhere around 2 o'clock. My understanding is this is not a strenuous hike like Fall Creek Falls was. Of course, I hadn't seen any signs that say so or such. But basically, that's pretty much it, guys. So we're waiting on David Euler, our lead, and probably on some of the other folks too. Hopefully I won't be the only person out here today. There's David right there. So see y'all guys in a bit. It's your boy Extreme, and your boy's out.
Good morning, this is David Euler from Glendale Outdoor Leadership School, partnership with Palmetto Conservation Foundation. We're in Dupont State Forest this morning, going to see Hooker Falls, Triple Falls, High Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls. So it should be a great day full of waterfalls.
Alright guys, it's your boy XtremeKatfishn here. We're out here at the Dupont State Forest Hooker Falls parking area for the PCF hike, waterfall hike, and I'm just going to go around and introduce y'all to everybody that's going to be part of this hike today.
I'm Jenny. I'm Jane.
I'm Ray.
I'm Veronique.
Ray. Alan.
Renee.
Diana.
Darlene.
Betty. Rosemary.
Lauren.
And you know this
David.
guy. And you know me. Alright, so see y'all guys in a bit.
The young people go first, but we're not going to be fast. Trust me on that.
This is an absolutely great idea. They need to do this in every trail.
Except people treat them, they've been thrown trash in.
Yeah, it's...
I mean, come on. No consideration, no.
Not at all.
Yeah.
Nope. Headed to Hooker Falls right now. Just about a quarter of a mile hike. See a little bit of it over there. Should be able to see more of it as we go inside.
Sure.
See, you hear a little bit of it over there. You can see a little bit more of it right there.
That's beautiful. Look how pretty that is.
I like this.
See, it reminds me of the Russian Human Home. Definitely a different one. No. Yeah. But you still have family there?
Yeah, not a lot.
Really exciting.
My sister's from this
You get there very often?
once every 5
The water's
years.
freezing, so
I was supposed to be there this week, but yeah, for this week and next week for Thanksgiving. And if I fly, I'm taking at least a week, not 2.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, if
exactly.
I'm going, I'm staying for a
Me
while.
too.
And I
Next
just,
time I go to see my mom, I'm staying for at least 2 weeks.
yeah, it's not
At
worth
least a week
it.
and a half.
Yeah, it's not worth the travel time or the
Yeah,
expense.
exactly. We're going out in the spring. Kevin wants to go to some concert. So
I know what you're thinking.
mom and baby is here. So we're trying to get out there as much as we can.
It's
And where does she live?
pretty flat terrain in comparison to Fall Tree Falls. It's pretty much started straight up.
Go twice. He wants to go on the
It's not very bad at all.
And the other time to go to events. I loved it.
Yeah, I love it.
But all that stuff
There's the river
so expensive.
apparently leads from Falls
Yeah,
Creek.
but still,
I mean, excuse me, Hooker Falls.
see, that's one thing after my divorce, I thought about moving back, but I could not afford to own my own home.
Yeah, it's expensive.
Yeah.
Well, it's not now. It's as much as it was. There's
Right.
a lot of foreclosures.
But my sister moved down to Havasu,
Where?
to Lake Havasu
Is that
in Arizona.
Oh, Arizona?
Yeah.
Oh,
Well, it's
I
right on
love
the
Arizona.
border. Yeah.
Arizona's beautiful.
Yeah. So my son lived in Taker.
Rocks on the ground here. So hiking boots are actually needed. Sneakers will be so fine. It's just not a very long trail. So the access to the falls there.
Right.
My mother gave my sister the house.
Yeah.
Y'all can find me when I get lost.
I go with yellow fairy cows, drop the crumbs.
Alright guys, see y'all in a bit when we get to the falls. just in case y'all wanted to go swimming or wading out here. Don't think about it. Here we go, guys. Hooker Falls.
Right here.
Nothing compared to cool you're gonna see.
I would not want to go over that in a raft.
No, it wouldn't feel good coming down. Oh, even though it's not that high. It doesn't look that high.
Rosemary, you would not want to go over that in a raft. Not happening.
12 feet?
But you saw the other one. It's
Yeah.
a little more than 12.
Yeah, just a tad bit.
You can actually walk down and around the cave
Okay,
down there. To the front.
cool. This is what they call Hooker Falls, guys. Yeah, you're right. There's a better view of it actually. We go down around the corner here, and I think we get a straight on view or a more straight view of it right here. But this is Hooker Falls, guys. I wonder if there's a story behind this. Hey, David. So is there a story behind the reason why they called this Hooker Falls? I'm just wondering.
No, there probably is.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, that's something you need to Google.
Yeah, I'm going to do it.
There's Diana. Does she have her phone? She can Google it.
That'd be great to know.
So is this one that was a quarter of the same?
It's like barely good.
Chris, I want you to take a picture of me and Jane with my iPhone.
I will do that. Hold on a second. Let me stop this. Alright guys, this is the side view of Hooker Falls. Closer up, side view. See if I can get a little bit closer. I'll give y'all guys the ultimate view here. That is Hooker Falls. Side view. I am about 10 feet from the falls. Look down. That's the standing area once you go down this hill. That's where I was earlier. Well, that's where I'm going. This is the falls, Hooker Falls. Alright guys, the XtremeKatfishn here. We are at Hooker Falls. I am going to do the research to find out if that name has any meaning, but this is Hooker Falls. This is our first waterfall. This is a straight on look. Before you were getting a side look at it, and this is more of a straight on look of Hooker Falls here. Just kind of comes out into this beautiful little pool that just flows down a river down that direction there. But this is a pretty wonderful waterfall, man. I've been told we're going to see some awesome stuff today, so I'm sure that's right. But there's different ways that you can rest. You got guys sitting up here on the rocks. Down here you can actually come down this way from it. But this is Hooker Falls, guys. It's quite beautiful. This is Mother Nature at one of her best. I can stand here and look at this all day, guys. It's your boy XtremeKatfishn, man. boy's out.
Oh, I do have permits. That's mine.
Alright guys, so we have done Booker Falls, and of course you guys just saw that, and we're taking a little small break here since pretty much the parking area is right in between the other 3 falls that we're going to see today. So alright guys, this is XtremeKatfishn. This is Triple Falls, and if you look at it you can tell exactly why they call it Triple Falls. You got 1, 2, and 3. You got 3 different falls here. As you can see what's down below me here, there's really no access to it. Looks like at one point it's pretty steep. It's like people might have went down this way to get to it. Maybe that way. But this is the closest that I'm actually going to get to it from here, because you can see the guard railing here. And to get to these guys, it's a little bit of an incline, but it's a short one. Basically, this is what you get, man. This is Fall Creek Falls. You cannot beat this. This is an awesome view. My understanding is that people that come out here to kayak, they use the second falls basically because there's so much water here. They just kind of slide down from there. The first one apparently is a little difficult, and I would see the last one being a little difficult since it's ridge there. So, but this is it, guys. This is sorry, I keep saying Falls Creek Falls. This is not. This is Triple Falls in Dupont State Forest, and there's somebody down there. So now I gotta find out how I can get access down there. That is cool. Oh, I know how. When you go down here at the bottom, when you first cross over, there is a access point. Looks like a little beach area. I'm assuming from there you can walk alongside and up to this point where the falls are, because I just saw somebody with a camera down there taking photographs. So I'm definitely gonna have to try to do that myself, guys. All right, so we're gonna head on to the next set of falls here in a little bit. So it's your boy XtremeKatfishn, man, and your boy's out.